Good morning, students. Today we're going to be conducting the drug test lab. Our objective is to distinguish between physical and chemical properties, to distinguish between qualitative and quantitative observations, and to identify an unknown powder using physical and chemical properties. Our equipment are as follows. We're going to be using our probe reader along with a temperature probe. As you know, this end of the probe connects to this end of the probe reader, and it's very similar to an internet connection, so just snap it in and snap it out. The other equipment are going to be a well plate that looks like this. We're going to have also this for you to put on the underneath so that you can see what's happening with the chemicals. And if you notice here, it also gives you where you should be conducting your test for each one of the substances, and there are even numbers as well. Okay, so make sure that you are following the labels here. We're also providing a rod for you to mix the substances. So again, please make sure that you rinse in between so that there's no cross-contamination. We also have, in terms of the substances, we have the unknown drug sample, and then we have 3 known drug samples, sample 1, sample 2, and sample 3. That basically you're going to be comparing the unknown to based on how it reacts. Then you can determine which one is the drug. Okay, we also have acetic acid that is in this container, and we also have distilled water. So in addition, we also have cotton swabs for you to use. So that's pretty much all the equipment that you're going to be using today. Make sure that you read the procedures thoroughly, and that at the end you can go ahead and pour all the chemicals in the waste container. In this case, we can just pour everything down the sink. Just make sure that you rinse the well plate well and use the cotton swabs to clean any of the residue from the well plate. So once you rinse it, if there's any residue, please go ahead and clean it well with the cotton swab so that there's nothing left inside the well plates. Okay, make sure that you let them dry. So either get a paper towel and try to dry them, or leave them facing down so that the water runs down. Make sure that you place all the chemicals and equipment back, and make sure that you always clean your table and wash your hands, put all the equipment back, and then go ahead and go on to your post lab.